Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by matching the SSD to the enclosure. This is crucial because 5 SATA and M2 NVMe need different housings. Once done, power down any devices and work on an anti-static surface to prevent damage. Open the enclosure, remove its mounting bracket if present, and orient the drive to match connector alignment. Make sure to keep screws and tiny parts organized. This saves time when reassembling. You're now ready to install the drive into the enclosure itself. Insert the SSD carefully into the enclosure's connector. You should feel it click or seat without forcing it. Forcing risks bending pins. Once seated, align screw holes and secure the drive using the provided screws or standoffs so it cannot move. If using an NVMe drive and the enclosure includes a thermal pad, place it over the controller to manage heat. Finally, close the case according to its design, ensuring any gaskets or EMI shields are properly positioned before screwing it shut. Connect the newly assembled external SSD to your computer using a high-quality USB cable and port, USB 3. Exports give best speed. Initialize and format the drive in your OS. Pick NTFS for Windows, Apps for Mac OS, or XFAT for cross-platform use. Then run a quick file transfer to confirm performance. If the drive isn't detected, make sure the cable and port are functional. Test the SSD in another enclosure or adapter, and update host USB drivers. These steps usually resolve detection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.